Laba abathathu bangabasolwa bakamuva ecaleni lokweqa ejele kuThabo kanti baboshwe ngomsombuluko kusihlwa eBuchabelo naseBloemfontein. Sekuboshwe abasolwa abayishumi ngalelicala. Abashushisi bombuso bacele inkantolo ukuthi ihlehlise icala ngenhloso yokunika ithuba abaphenyi kanye ne-NPA ukuze bathole eminye imininingwane ngesimo sabasolwa bakamuva.
3 more accused appeared in court today, which is accused number 10, 11 and 12. As we are aware that already 9 accused have appeared before the court. Accused number 10 is Thaba Mir, who's facing just 1 charge of assisting an inmate to escape from lawful custody. Accused number 11, it's Joel Macheta. Accused number 12, it's Mwek, it's Ramudula. Number 11 and 12 are facing 3 charges each, which is assisting an inmate to escape, violation of the body and corruption. The state made a request that the matter be postponed until next week Monday for bail information so that the police can assist to check for us if the accused have previous conviction or if they don't have any pending cases.
Bobathathu basebenzela inkampani yonogada iG4S okuyiyona eyabe inikwe umsebenzi wenkontileka wokuqapha ijele laseMangaung lapho kweqa kulona uThabo. Bazophinde bavele enkantolo efanayo ngomsombuluko zayo sebezofaka isicelo sebail njengoba bezogcinwa esitokisini.